So there it is, guys. Hey guys, Machines of Metal here. Just working on the Kei Truck again. Kei Truck, however you like to say it. In the last video, I showed you guys how I installed these bumper mount brackets. I'll put a link down below in the description to the previous video. If I can figure out how YouTube does it now, I might even include a link on the screen. Anyhow, so we installed those brackets, the Lucky's Fab, in depth. And yesterday I went and finished the bumper. So here's our steel square tube. It's 3.5 by 3 or 4 by 3.5, maybe, whatever it is. I pre-drilled it right there and right there to mount to those pads right there. And yesterday we welded on this hitch receiver. So this is a 1.25 inch hitch receiver, guys. And basically we did some pretty welding there. Also put a strap to hook the chains to for my little boat, and welded her up. So today I'm going to degrease this thing, give it a wire wheeling, a degreasing, and then we're going to paint it, and then we're going to throw it on the truck, and hopefully this project will be finished. The only other thing we're going to have to do, I'll make another video about that, is we're going to have to tap into the wiring to get brake lights, turn signals, and running lights. I don't know if there's a wiring harness available, like a plug-in style for this vehicle. There should be, but I don't know if there is. I don't think they're ever meant to pull a trailer in the first place. But we're going to have to make a little harness and have a wire so that we can plug in to run our trailer lights. So I'm just going to clean this up and get it painted and turn the camera back on. We'll bolt it on. We'll see how it looks. Okay guys, so we got most of the grime off. What I'm just going to do is really quickly give these, just take this edge off. That way when I walk into it with my ankle or knee, it doesn't slice me open. So now we're going to let this dry. I'll put it outside in the sun, and then we're going to throw a coat of paint on it. So there it is, guys. Sorry I didn't get any video of mounting it. I had to have somebody come over and help me hold it up so we didn't scratch all the paint getting the bolts through. But there they are. Those are our grade 8 fasteners. Go right through like that. They're a little longer, guys. I was going to make a plate to go underneath, but I don't know if I'm going to bother with that now. I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is. There's our little 1.25 inch hitch receiver. That works out good. I think that's the right height. We'll have to get the boat trailer and line this thing up to see if the height works out. But there you go. There's throwing a kind of semi-homemade bumper onto the Daihatsu Hijet. Plus those Lucky's Fab brackets. And guys, it's solid. Like you can get your foot on there, and oh, it moves the whole truck. There's no give, no flex. Exactly what I'm looking for. So next project, guys, we're gonna do a little wiring. We're gonna create a harness so that we have somewhere to plug the trailer lights and turn signals into. And I'll make another video showing that off when I get around to it, probably later this week or on the weekend. Okay, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.